A modular design of anti-ram bar track makes it possible to install it straight on a roadway, which means that no digging and therefore no authority endorsement is required. It significantly reduces the price and simplifies the installation and maintenance. Assembled track can be transported by any vehicle of a suitable capacity because of the device's overall dimensions and weight. The support structure includes details made of hot-rolled steel. The decking, supports, and ramps are filled with reinforced concrete. Opening and closing time is less than 10 seconds. Track prevents probability of unauthorized vehicle penetration in case of a ram attack.